So, this is one of the best examples na pagdadaanan natin sa ensayo towards reaching our goals. Okay, mga panahon na wala tayong sapat na gamit at lugar para mag-improve. Na kapag ginawa natin excuse yung mga bagay na yun, hindi talaga tayo makakarating doon. So this is one of the best examples, madulas, maliit yung space. Kailangan natin matuto kung paano natin gagawa ng paraan yun. At kailangan natin makipag-cooperate ka. Lahat. Get me? Go. Clyde, mabagal yan, ha? Tinitin mo magsabilis yung ganun. Mabagal yan, o dyan! Come on, make it quick. Let's go. Go. Mas mabilis, Clyde. Baba agad, ha? Tapos explode mo yung talon. Explode, go. Quick, go. Nice one, good job. Baba. Remember, ginawa natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kaya lang, since wala tayong space, dito lang tayo sa same spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same spot. Hindi moving. Then jump. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Talon. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Okay, all out tayo, all out tayo. All out, all out, all out, all out. Ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 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 Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Come on, focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Come on, good job. Okay, listen. Sabi sa inyo, para-paraan ensayo natin. Okay? Not always getting what you need. Tingin mo, akala mong kailangan mo. Pero what we have is all we need para gumaling tayo. You get me? It's just a matter of perspective. Paano mo titignan kung ano yung meron ka? Paano mo siya gagamitin? You get me? Last set. Okay, all out tayo. Ready? Hammer hops? No. Starter step. Pag sinabi kong hammer hops, sabay. Pag sinabi kong ski, pag sinabi kong cross. Same space. Okay? Walang galaw. Okay? Same spot. Get me? Ready? All out tayo, ha? All out. All out. All out. Focus kayo, ha? Walang oras to. Walang oras. Okay? Sasagarin ko lang kayo. Okay? Walang bibitaw, ha? Ready? Walang bibitaw. Ready? Stutter step tayo. Start, ha? Ready? Go! Focus, 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 focus. Focus, 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 focus. Hammer hops, hammer hops. Come on, focus. Same spot, same spot. Walang bibitaw. Walang bibitaw, ha? Come on, Jack, come on, Jack. Stay low. Kaya mo sa bilis, konti. Kaya mo yan. Konting tiis. Nice one, charge. Nice one, charge. Hammer hops, hammer hops. Hammer hops. Starter step. Come on. Konting tiis. Konting tiis. Konting tiis. Konting tiis. Walang bibitaw, walang bibitaw. Walang bibitaw, walang bibitaw, walang bibitaw, walang bibitaw. Ski, 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 ski. Ski. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job. Good job. Come on, good job, good job, good job. Bye. Break tayo, ha? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Verse 6. 25, ha? Vertical. Tapos pag bagsak nyo, bend nyo kaagad. Huwag nyo yung sa stop. Okay? Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Go! 1, 2. Nice. Okay. Guys, ang wino-workout natin dito is yung power. Kanina yung quickness. You get me? Yun yung magkaiba. So every time you jump, importante yung power going up. Huwag nyo madaliin yung pag-angat. Get me ready? Good job. Make it powerful. Every rep counts. Okay? Huwag nyo madaliin. Nice one. Good job. Good job. Okay. Last set. 150. Yung sa taas pa dyan. Focus. Sagad. Okay. 3-minute break. Last set tayo, high knees. All out tayo, high knees ha. Hindi yung mabagal na mataas ha. Kahit hanggang dito lang na mabilis. Go! Bagal yan. Nice one, Carlo. Bagal yan, o dyan. Tara, labanan mo, o dyan. Labanan mo, o dyan. Come on, konti na lang, konti na lang. Bars, tas mo konti, Bars. Tara, maintain yung speed. Kaya sa bilis, kailangan mo mag-improve yung fitness mo. Malakas legs mo, pero mabagal. Okay? Kailangan mo papisin. Come on, Bars. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Perfect, sir. Perfect, perfect. Maintain. Hindi mo mabagal. Pagod na, focus. Pagod na, focus. Kahit pang konti pa. Yan! All out tayo, ha? Okay, huwag ka na magtira. Sagad mo na. Ready? Go! Konti na lang. Okay, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Nice one, good job. Hindi na makapalakpak, ah.